Hi, this is Ting from TAIPEI CYCLE team. The company we're visiting today is one of the Gold Award winners from 2020 D&I Awards. Tektro is founded in 1986, and it has more than 33 years in making the brake system with the best quality. Let's find out more about Tektro. Hi, we have Luis today with us to introduce the most pioneering product of Tektro.
Hi, my name is Luis. I'm product manager of TRP. So with this new TR12 system, we're bringing the downhill shifting technology to the trail. We've been working with Aaron Gwynn for the past 4 years, so let me walk you through some of the key features of our system. First, we have a ratchet style clutch. You can actually hear a ratcheting sound when it is in action. It is for your chain management, and it is adjustable. If riders want to free up their system, they can back off the clutch. And if the clutch wears off, they can also tighten the clutch through the 2 screws in the back. And it also has an on and off option for easier wheel removal. The second feature that we have is a unique feature called Hall Lock. It's called Hall Lock because it's named after Aaron Gwynn's mechanic, John Hall. It is a lever operating feature that's going to allow you to make your drivetrain quieter and more stable. So what it does is that if you close the lever, it's going to lock the derailleur at its B pivot axis. So as opposed to a normal derailleur, which rotates freely around its axis, if you lock it, when you're riding in the rough trail, it's going to eliminate the noise and the flipping action of the derailleur, overall providing better shifting, accuracy, and stability to your system. Also, to help your installation easier, we also have a chain length indicator to help you set up your proper chain length. So you can set your derailleur at the smallest cock of the cassette and align the 2 icons to help you make sure that you have a proper chain length. Lastly, we also have a small guideline in the back of the cage to help you set up your proper beat tension. So with these small details that we're offering, it's going to help you set up your derailleur easier and faster.
That's very interesting. Can you also tell us more about the shifter?
Sure. So ergonomics are key when it comes to Aaron. So that's why he wanted something different. We have refined the ergonomics of the release lever. It now moves in a linear motion, will provide better and more consistent contact patch, thus providing better grip and better shifting performance when the trail gets rowdy.
Thank you, Luis, for introducing this wonderful product today. We know that Tektro has won many D&I awards, and this year they won the Gold Award. So let's welcome Otis to tell us more about this Gold Award winning product.
Hi, I'm Otis, marketing specialist. With the goal of reducing vehicle emissions in the cities, cargo bike has risen significantly in the mobility segment, with uses in parcel services, transporting kids, shopping, and many more. The loads have continuously growing to over 200 kilograms. Because of this, our new Tektro Omega Twin Plus has adapted solutions to deal with the added weight. It has a strong 4-piston twin caliper with top-loading brake pad for easy maintenance. And it is equipped with our newest 5mm brake pad for extended wear life. New design of new ergonomic parking lever for simple and safety use. And now I'm going to walk you through how this lever works. The parking lever works by rotating the lever away from the handlebar. And you will see the smaller red lever separates from the black one. Next, simply squeeze the brake lever. You will hear a click a couple of times, indicating that the parking lock is set. To release the parking lock, pinch the 2 levers together and bring them back to the handlebar. You will see the brake lever returns to its original position.
Congratulations for winning the Gold Award this year. From Tektro's perspective, how do you see the future trends and development of cycling industry?
Well, we have a very strong R&D ability across all bike and component manufacturers to design products that satisfy the market demands. Together with the high level of production capabilities and superior quality, we have a complete supply chain here in Taiwan. Also, as we take the environmental issues more seriously, and with the current COVID-19 situation, people are starting to use bikes as their transportation. Plus, people care about their own health. Bicycle is become a popular outdoor activities for exercises and also recreation. Moreover, with the recent growing trend of e-bikes around the globe, especially in Europe, people can now enjoy riding bicycles. So therefore, overall, we are very optimistic and we are ready for the future development of cycling industry.
Thank you for the insight, Otis. That's it for today. Let's see you at Taipei Cycle March 3rd to 6th, 2021.